Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two project management tools. First one is ClickUp and the second one is Todoist. In this video we will cover some pros and cons. Also, I'll tell you something more about these two programs, and in the end we'll go through pricing plans and we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. If you're interested in those two programs, I'll leave the links in the description underneath. So let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp is a simple cloud-based collaboration and project management tool created for all user types. With ClickUp, you have all the features needed to help simplify and streamline your processes, including sales, marketing, design, and development. ClickUp features an agile board view that allows you to monitor every task on your team in one board and assign tasks to various members of the team. Tasks progress can be viewed in form of percentage and can be marked either resolved or in progress. Or it can alternatively customize their task progress statuses. A Gantt chart lets you view your tasks in timeline by list or person and automatically add updates in real time. ClickUp organizes task management in a hierarchical manner and allows you to sort tasks according to their priority. This property allows for improved productivity and lets you to structure your projects by assigning tasks to groups and arranging those groups under different categories. The software can be seamlessly integrated to Slack and similar apps through Zapier. The machine learning capability of the software assists project managers, give realistic timeframes and completion of projects, and lets teams accomplish their task before the deadline. So when we check the ClickUp in here, we can see that it's really easy to read. I also prepared for you some tests of workspaces in ClickUp. How does it look? We also created a video about ClickUp through and through, so you can really learn how to work in a ClickUp. And as you can see, we have our workspace test here and the list. In list, I have 3 columns. Let's say first one is done, second one is in progress, and the third one is to do. You can change the colors, as you can see, of basically everything. And then you can assign members of your team. You can add due dates, priorities, you can upload files, and many more. It's very easy to work around with ClickUp, very intuitive, and it won't take long. Also, when we check the pricing plans, they are providing one free option. So if you want to start with ClickUp and you are not sure if the one is for you and you are not ready to invest money into it, you can go with this free option, which is very nice. Then you can just pick the option or the budget plan for you, starting at $5 per month for a small team like Placeit, goes 9 and 19 then enterprise if you're really in charge of big company and you need to have your pricing plan tailored just for you. So Todoist. Todoist is an efficient task organizer that enables its users to keep track of their project's task goals from a single easy-to-use interface. The software syncs across all the devices of the user and easily integrates with the popular platforms used by users. Users can easily keep track of their task through a complete overview provided by the software. The recurring due dates help the users to build habits and remember deadlines. Users can ensure that all their projects stay organized while also highlighting the essential task for the day. Todoist provides its users with notifications when people complete their assignments or post comments related to the task. The software helps to make relevant pieces of information accessible to all. The Todoist Karma feature offers by the software awards its users with points on completion of task and maintenance of a streak. Users can display their monthly or daily progress through color-coded graphs. So what is really nice about Todoist is that you can use it across all. You can use it all across your hardwares. For example, on your phone, if it's Android or it's iOS or computer, you are still on point. You are updated what's happening in Todoist. As you can see, the UI looks basically, well, not the same, but it's vertical and also easy to read. So it's really up to you guys which one you'll pick. They are also providing a free option in their planning. Then there is Pro and Business for teams, so not that much of an options. You can compare the plans here, but still, I really like Todoist. But it's not that deep as ClickUp. So if you are just into organizing stuff in your company, Todoist is, I would say, better option. But if you need more features, then just to overview, you need to upload some data and stuff like that. I believe that the ClickUp is the right option. So if you have any more questions, please leave them underneath this video. We will try to answer them. I believe we made videos about ClickUp and Todoist on their own. So you can go and check them out. I can add them into the description underneath this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.